I promised to give everybody an update on what I'm working on from a software point of view. So I'm going to show you a new product that is going to be available relatively soon. It's called WordFinder. It's a part of the Edit to Publish and Top-Down Look family of products. It's an entry-level product to get people interested in the entire family of products. The biggest problem a person who's writing a story has is to get the right word to use to engage the reader. And what WordFinder does is help them find exactly the right word. So let's get started. The first thing the software asks you to do is identify the level of the reader that you're trying to write your story for. In this case, I'm going to select somebody who has a command of the English language so you'll see all the words. Now it'll populate the tabs with the various words that are available. And the higher the level that you pick on the initial screen, the more words you get. If I pick, for example, a child's picture book, I'm going to get very few words on this because the children can't understand a large range of words. Now across the top you get tabs, words that engage. And this is a list of all the kind of words that you can use that will engage people. The interesting thing I found when I was doing this is there's far more negative words than there are positive words. But by going down and picking one of these words, you get the dictionary definition of the word. And so you can make sure you picked exactly the right word that you want from the list that's available. In addition to words that engage, action verbs are very important because you should really be using more action verbs and nouns than you use adjectives and adverbs. In addition to action verbs and in words that engage, I have a list of words that identify all of the different senses that a person would be able to use to picture what you're talking about. And again, we've got lists of words that are positive and negative. If we go down and click, for example, bleed, double click it, and it'll give you a definition of what bleed means. So you've got all the different kind of words that are categorized by the various senses. Now we're in the process right now of populating these lists with more words than the ones that are currently available. The dictionary now has 260,000 words in it, but we have to populate the dictionary, this part of the dictionary, with some more words. But if we go down here, for example, and click on Blair, it's harsh noise and so forth. Now if you can't find the word that you want in any of these tabs, you can go to the dictionary itself. And here I'm going to pick I want a noun, I want a single word, I want words that can be multiple words. The type of processing that I want, just to save some time, is going to show you some examples. And then I'll go and type in word here. And then click the start button. And what it does is give you a list of words. And again, you can go down and click on it, and it gives you the definition of the word. Once you click on a word, then it's available. You can close this and it'll store and close the word, and it'll put it right into your Microsoft Word document or your Edit to Publish Word document or any Word document that you're using. So this is a very brief update of what I'm working on. It's going to be available probably by the end of the year, but there's a lot of work to get the databases up to date between now and then. And I need to do some more work on getting the ability to sort through these various words more easily for the person, and so I'm working on that. But if you have any thoughts or ideas or questions, please give me a call. I very much appreciate your input. Thanks a lot for listening.